about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Score Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Score Planner app, or just click on search. So then here at Score Planner app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here, come to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search here for Skull Planner. It's going to show for you like this. You will find updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.